Welcome! In this video, we're going to take a look at problem 26. It is out of section 1.1 in College Algebra by OpenStax. All right, so we have to simplify the given expression, and we have to follow the order of operations. All right, so let's write down our problem first. So what we have is 4 squared minus 25 times 1/5. Okay, so we have an exponent, a subtraction, and a multiplication. And we need to follow PEMDAS. And so we don't have any parentheses, but we do have an exponent, so we're going to do the exponent first. And so 4 squared is 4 times 4, or 16. And then we have minus 25 and times 1/5. So we'll make a note, exponents first. All right, now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. And we look up above and see that multiplication comes before subtraction. So we'll do the multiplication next. So we have 16 minus, all right, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we will say multiplication before subtraction. All right, all that's left now is a subtraction, and 16 minus 5 is 11, and that is our final answer. I hope this helped with order of operations, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time.